I'm finally filming my hair tutorial on how I wand my hair. This has been a long awaited video and I'm finally here. I was gonna do one when I was in DC, but I always forgot every time I did my hair. I'm like, oh my god, I was supposed to film it. I'm not used to like recording stuff, but let me just give like a little rundown. Right now, my hair is blow dried, so I do always blow, it is always blow dried or straightened before I wand my hair. Sometimes I do it without blow drying it or straightening it, but usually I do. And I use this to blow dry it. It's the Revlon hairbrush dryer. I'll link it in the description down below. Look at me. And I use this wand. It's heating up right now, but I don't know where it's from. I like try to look for the name, but I don't know. But it's from Target. I went 2 days ago and it was there, so you guys can go, or you could just buy any tool that looks like this. It was, I think, I want to say 30 bucks, and I've had it for years and it's been so faithful to me. This is what I use to get my little beach waves or whatever you want to call it. And I'm using this little mini hair straightener for my baby hairs. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, the first thing you want to do is section off your hair. I'm not neat with this and I don't do it, you know, to the T with an actual tooth comb or anything. I just, you know, I'm pretty messy with it, doesn't matter. And I go on with a little tooth comb and I brush through it. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Then I grab my wand and I get a section of hair. I grab like about this much, sometimes less, depends. And what I'm gonna do is grab the wand and I'm gonna wrap it the opposite way of my face. And the ending, I keep it like this, I keep it straight. I don't like curling it because at my ends you can tell how fried they are, and you know, we don't want that. And you let it go. You just hold it there, but that's what it looks like. And you just do that throughout the whole bottom section. I do my hair, all of it, I wrap it the same way. So I would wrap it the opposite way of my face. I'm gonna speed this part up because it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't comb through the hair because it's still hot, so I like it, you know, to stay. And I do like curling my hair up from the root. That's what gives my hair so much volume when I wand it. I used to just do, if I do want to just do curls from the tips of my hair, I wand it like from here down. But the way I do it is just, you see, very close to the root, wrap it, and let it go. And I just keep going. Also, I usually wand my hair on hair that is on hair that hasn't been washed. I want to say 2 or 3 days. They come out better. They hold on better. I don't do it on clean hair because then you wouldn't have curls, you know. But your hair does have more volume when it's dirtier. That makes sense. I'm supposed to be going to the movies right now. I'm not sure if that's still happening, but Yeah. Also, everybody has different hair types, so I don't know. Pretty sure this technique isn't going to work for everyone because some people have very, very, very fine hair and it's very straight, and the curls just don't hold, so you have to like put so much spray in your hair and all of that. So what works for me won't work for you, but if it does, I'm glad. I also have very thick and coarse hair. And I'm excited. I have so many ideas, guys. It makes me so excited. And yeah, I'm really excited for all the content I have planned out and whatnot. Yeah, there's like a lot I want to do. Now I'm gonna grab the little straightener. I don't want to burn myself. Okay, so I just come here to the front and then I straighten this. Because I brush through it. You see, people don't brush through it. I have bangs. I don't know if they're here. I like, they get lost, you know? Whatever, I'll do that at the end. Okay. I do really ugly faces when I'm doing my hair. But are you really doing your hair if you don't do ugly faces? took out all my bangs, and I have to straighten this top part because I didn't do it right. Gotta tame these little curls. All these little baby hairs. Tame the baby hair. That's gonna be the title of this video. Tame the baby hair. Alright, done. Now, I almost burned myself. What I do is grab the bang, wrap it around. I don't do the bang as close to the root, obviously, because I don't want to look like a little 5-year-old or a chola. Okay, now this I feel like is the most important part of your hair. I look crazy right now. I know. You're like probably thinking, what the hell, Fatma? But wait. All right. Now I just go wild. So I like pull through, bring it to the front, pull. So you're probably thinking, what do I add on my hair? Nothing. Nothing. But that's because I have really thick hair, like I was saying in the beginning. And that's it. That is my hair tutorial. They do fall throughout the day, so they don't stay as crazy. But if I do want them to stay, I add hairspray. But I usually love how it looks when they fall. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Let me show you the back. Am I getting it? Okay. Pretty much. Now, I'm going to show you guys different ways that you can style your hair. Anyways, as I was saying, this is one of the ways you can style it. A half ponytail. Just grab a cute little scrunchie, or you could grab a little hair scarf, which I love to do. This is like my Monday morning hair for work when it's like done from Sunday, but I just like to do this, and everybody's like, oh my god, you look so cute, you did your hair for work. And I'm like, my hair is so dirty, guys, don't come near me. But this is one of my favorites. I love to just throw it up. Duh. Then you bring out these little baby hairs. I always have this horn sticking out. If you see it, just know it's not part of me, even though it is. Then what else? What other hairstyles do I like to do? I usually add clips. So I would do like a clip like here, or put a clip here, boom. Or a headband. Little Waldorf moment. You can put the headband however you like. You could do this. It's still crazy right now, so it looks a little wild. But just picture this, my hair being a little more calm. I look crazy right now. But yeah, that is pretty much it. So that's simple. For my hair is plant-based. I don't use no type of like sodium products or none of that on my hair because of the blonde, and also because, you know, I love being eco-friendly as much as I try. You guys get me, I just like being eco-friendly. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and leave it a nice comment. Bye.